Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Paytm is hiring for corporate sales intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. The corporate sales intern will be responsible for supporting the sales team in identifying and pursuing new business opportunities. The ideal candidate should possess excellent communication skills and be comfortable with using Excel to create and analyze data. The position requires enthusiasm for sales and a desire to learn about the corporate sales process. Here are the key responsibilities. Conduct research on potential clients and industries to identify new business opportunities. Support the sales team in preparing proposals and presentations for clients. Communicate with clients via phone and email to schedule meetings and follow up on sales leads. Attend sales meetings and assist with taking notes and tracking action items. Learn about the company's products and services in order to effectively promote them to potential clients. Assist with other sales related tasks needed. Qualifications required for this role are currently pursuing or recently completed a bachelor's degree in business, marketing or a related field. Excellent communication skills and comfortable with making cold calls and sending emails to potential clients. Proficient in Excel and able to create and analyze data. Enthusiasm for sales and desire to learn about the corporate sales process. Highly organized with strong attention to detail. Self-motivated with the ability to work independently and as a part of a team. Prior experience in sales or customer service is a plus. Let us get to know about the company. Paytm started the digital revolution in India and we went on to become India's leading payments app. Today, more than 20 million merchants and businesses are powered by Paytm to accept payments digitally. This is because more than 300 million Indians use Paytm to pay at their stores, and that's not all. Paytm app is used to pay bills, do recharges, send money to friends and family, book movies and travel tickets. With innovations to financial services and products in pipeline, this is but one of the milestones achieved towards our mission to bring 500 million unserved and undeserved Indians to the mainstream economy. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form will open. Here upload your resume. Fill the basic details, full name, email, phone, current company if you are working there. Then your social media links, that is a LinkedIn URL, then GitHub URL, and if you have created a website, so your website also, and additional information you want to share. Then click on this submit application button and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.